Namaste my dear friends. Basics for Roman numerals. First, we know the exact value of the Roman numeral of the Hindu numeral. Now, observe the Hindu numeral and Roman numerals. The number 1 is represented by I. The number 5 is represented by V. The number 10 is represented by X. The number 50 is represented by L. The number 100 is represented by C. The number 500 is represented by D. And the number 1000 is represented by M. These are the key concepts to find the remaining numbers. Roman numerals. Note: a letter cannot be repeated more than 3 times. You can only subtract powers of 10, that is, I, X, C. The symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value, that is, V, L and D are never subtracted. You cannot subtract more than one number from another number. There is no zero in the system of Roman numerals. Let us check the Roman numerals, which are repeated up to 3 times. Observe the Hindu-Arabic numeral. The numbers here are 1, 2, and 3. The expanded form of Hindu-Arabic numerals are 1 as 1, 2 as 1 plus 1, and 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1. As we know, 1 as I. So we can write 2 as I, and 3 as I. Similarly, let us observe the Hindu-Arabic numerals and the expanded form of 10, 20, and 30. As we know 10 is X, so we can write 20 as XX, and 30 as XXX. As same as, let us observe the Hindu-Arabic numerals and the expanded form of 100, 200, and 300. As we know 100 is C, so we can write 200 as CC, and 300 as CCC. Simultaneously, let us observe the Hindu-Arabic numerals and the expanded form of 1000, 2000, and 3000. As we know 1000 is M, so we can write 2000 as MM, and 3000 as MMM. Let us check the Roman numerals, which are added to other Roman numerals. Observe the Hindu-Arabic numeral. The numbers here are 5, 6, 7, and 8. The expanded form of Hindu numerals are 5 as 5, 6 as 5 plus 1, 7 as 5 plus 1 plus 1, and 8 as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. As we know, 5 as V. So we can write 6 as VI, 7 as VII, and 8 as VIII. Similarly, let us observe the Hindu-Arabic numerals and the expanded form of 50, 60, 70, and 80. As we know 50 as L, so we can write 60 as LX, 70 as LXX, and 80 as LXXX. Similarly, let us check the Hindu-Arabic numerals and the expanded form of 500, 600, 700, and 800. As we know 500 as D, so we can write 600 as DC, 700 as DCC, and 800 as DCCC. Let us check the Roman numerals, which are subtracted from other Roman numerals. Observe the Hindu-Arabic numeral. Let us take a number 4. According to the Roman numerals, the nearest Roman numeral of 4 is 5, because 5 as V, so if we subtract 1 from 5, we get 4. In the case of subtraction, we write a smaller number first and bigger number second in the Roman numeral. In the expanded form 1 is smaller, so first we write I, and 5 is bigger, so we write V. So we write 4 as IV. Let us take another number 9. According to the Roman numerals, the nearest Roman numeral of 9 is 10, because 10 as X, so if we subtract 1 from 10, we get 9. In the expanded form 1 is smaller, so first we write I, and 10 is bigger, so we write X. So we write 9 as IX. Let us check 40 and 90. The expanded form of Hindu-Arabic numerals is 40 as 50 minus 10, 90 as 100 minus 10. So we can write 40 as XL and 90 as XC. Let us check 400 and 900. The expanded form of Hindu-Arabic numerals is 400 as 500 minus 100, 900 as 1000 minus 100. So we can write 400 as CD and 900 as CM. Note: while subtracting a number from another number, we use either 1, 10, or 100 from other numbers only, and you cannot subtract more than one number from another number. Let us take some examples of Hindu-Arabic numerals. The Hindu-Arabic numeral 582. The expanded form of 582 is 500 plus 80 plus 2. As we know 500 as D, 80 as LXXX, and 2 as II. Finally, the number is DLXXXII. Let us take the Hindu-Arabic numeral 1025. The expanded form of 1025 is 1000 plus 20 plus 5. As we know 1000 as M, 20 as XX, and 5 as V. Finally, the number is MXXV. Let us take the Hindu-Arabic numeral 2205. The expanded form of 2205 is 2000 plus 200 plus 5. As we know 2000 as MM, 200 as CC, and 5 as V. Finally, the number is MMCCV. Let us observe 948. The expanded form of 948 is 900 plus 40 plus 8. As early we have discussed, 900 can be written as 1000 minus 100. Similarly, 40 as 50 minus 10. And 8 as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we write 900 as CM, 40 as XL, and 8 as VIII. Finally, Roman numeral of the Hindu numeral 948 is CMXLVIII. Let us check 1495. The expanded form of 1495 is 1000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 5. As early we have discussed, 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Similarly, 90 as 100 minus 10. The Roman numerals of 1000 is M, 400 is CD, 90 is XC, and 5 is V. Finally, Roman numeral of the Hindu numeral 1495 is MCDXCV. If you want more information about the content or anything related to the subject, please refer to the blogger and clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching the video, friends.